Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Google Data Studio for reporting, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Google Data Studio's homepage. Click on the Sign In button in the top right corner. Enter your Google account credentials to log in. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the Google Data Studio dashboard. To create a new report, click on the Blank Report button. Alternatively, you can choose a template from the template gallery. After selecting a blank report or a template, you'll be taken to the report editor. On the right side, you will see the Data tab. Click on Add Data to connect your data sources. Choose a data source from the list or click Create New Data Source. If creating a new data source, select a connector that fits your needs. Follow the prompts to authorize and link your data source. Once your data source is connected, drag and drop your desired fields onto the report canvas. To customize your visuals, click on the Chart Type dropdown in the toolbar. Select from options like tables, bar charts, line charts, and more. Adjust the size and position of your charts by clicking and dragging the corners. In the Properties panel, you can refine the chart's data. To add more pages to your report, click the Add a Page button. Select the new page to continue your report's design. Use the text tool from the toolbar to add headings or descriptions. To collaborate, click the Share button in the top right corner. Enter the email addresses of those you want to share the report with. Set their permissions as view, comment, or edit. To schedule email delivery of the report, navigate to the File menu, select Schedule Email Delivery, and set your preferences. Finally, to publish your report, click on the Share button again. Choose Get Link and adjust the sharing settings as necessary. Now your report is ready to be shared with stakeholders and collaborators. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.